Hi everyone, it's Lynn and I am chilled and stoked about my next online event, Seas and Greetings for Winter. Would you look at that paper? Aren't those snowmen so super cute and adorable? Well, that's right. We are going to do some fabulous winter pages that are super cute for you to use with your photos of your winter activities. So the event will be held Sunday, February 12th from 12:30 to 5 p.m. and we're going to create 10 pages. So let's check it out. Before we do, you're going to learn how to measure and cut, stamp and thin cut. So if you're a newbie and want to learn, this is a great crop for you to be a part of. We're going to be adding some really fun texture and you'll learn how to organize and prep all your pieces so that you're ready to put them together and assemble with me. Coloring those cute little snowmen with markers and the reindeer is so easy with our tri-blend markers. We are creating 10 pages, adding fun texture tips, and if you're interested, there are cards that you can create from your scraps, which is always optional. Here's an array of all 10 pages, but we're going to dive right in and check them out a little more closely. First layout you'll see is so colorful. I love the colors that we're using here, and the papers are so nice. Now, one thing you should note that if you turn the paper over, you have a reversible side that can also do a beach or tropical themed sandman layout as well. And these embellishments can change out with the other beach embellishments. But aren't they cute? Look at this snow. Let's get a close-up. You can see here what we're doing. We're tearing our paper. We're going to be adding some stickles, but now you can see those acrylic letters and snowflakes and this cute sticker. Here's another stamped snowman, and we are adding some more glitter to the hat, coloring in his scarf, his nose, and his hat. So coloring in the snowman is super easy because there's not a lot of coloring. But I love the sign, ski lodge, sleigh rides, hot cocoa, winter wonderland. Definitely covers all the bases for winter. How cute is that? We're stamping snowflakes. We have acrylic snowflakes. I love the stamped burr and the cute little snowman. And I put mittens, those cute little mittens on his hands. Here's the second layout, so colorful, winter wear type of paper where we have hats and scarves and mittens, really cute. Now you can see here's a sticker snowman and a stamped snowman, and then you'll see optional is for you to emboss a piece of the cardstock. It just adds a little extra detail. But my family goes skiing, so we like to spend some fun time together, and we are unique and one of a kind. The deer is so fun and easy to color in. The colors are really pretty and pop really well with the melon paper. Look at that glistening snow. The third layout is very pretty as well. We have a nice array of patterned paper that we're using to create the look. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Get the boards out, snowshoes, ice skates, whatever it is that you do for the winter, snowball fights, and let's go. Snow Much Fun is definitely on the agenda with this kit. We are adding some white glitter paper to make our thin cut snowflakes, so that's optional for you. The fourth layout for winter is the Wonderland, and I really love the colors, and it's so playful and joyful, right? There you can see we stamped Wonderland. We have our stamped snowflakes, some white acrylic letters and blue dots. Another stamped snowman and the acrylic and some stamped snowflakes. Now, for those of you who like to go away for the holiday or once in a while change it up, here's the beach scene. But if you flip the paper over, you're going to get a winter scene. I just wanted to show you the versatility of this particular kit. But look how cute that palm tree is. With the string of lights, I'm adding some little diamond stickles, and I did add it. You can't see it here, but I changed it up to add froth to those kind of waves. How cute are these flip-flops with a little bit of glitter here, seashells, and let's go back one page there, and that cute little Santa Sandman. How fun are these pages? Colorful and playful. Now, for those of you who like to make some winter cards, you can also use this for next season for your holiday cards. We have some scraps that we're using to create these. Now, the Season Greetings Winter Scrapbooking Workshop Kit is a VIP special. You save 20% right now. That's a great purchase price. You're going to get everything you need to create these pages. We have the stickers, the pattern paper, all of this cardstock, the stamp set with thin cuts, and the blue and white acrylics for $58.95. Here is the stamp set, which is so cute. So all three snowmen and all these three snowflakes are all thin cuts. Those are part of the acrylics. You can't really see the true blue, but you saw them in the picture. And it is a VIP exclusive. Now, this particular kit is on sale through the end of December. Now, a VIP, it's worth it for you to sign up as a VIP because you also get $15 instant rewards signing up, which you can use to purchase the extra products. There's just a few extra things that we purchased and get the whole kit and save 20%. Who doesn't like to save money, right? If you're interested, let me know. Email me at, I'll put my email information, but you can contact me and I'll send you the link on how to make this happen, and I can answer any of your questions. And even if it's not available after December 31st, it should all be available a la carte on my website at lynncomo.closetomyheart.com. But I'm really looking forward to sharing this all with you for the Season Greetings Winter online event February 12th during this time. Details will be on my blog at lynncomo.com. Thanks so much, and I really hope you'll want to do this with me. It's going to be so much fun.